Okay, so we're still dealing with this question with shock Z. Alright, we're now dealing with question 2. Assuming the average interest rate for the past 5 years in Zambia have been 15%, calculate the NPV, net present value, and comment on whether the project is viable. So the net present value technique, what happens is you're converting money that's in the which you receive in the future into today's value. Okay, then you're going to compare it against the cost, what you actually paid. If you get a positive net present value, it represents a profit or a gain of that investment, and you should go for that investment. If you get a negative net present value, that represents a loss. You shouldn't go for that investment. If you get a net present value of 0, it is the same as you have broken even. And well, you wouldn't really want to break even. You would want to at least make at least a profit from your investment. Yes. So colleagues, this is the table for the net present value technique. Okay, we're just using this same formula from time value of money. Present value equals future value 1 plus R to the power negative T. So our future values are coming here in this cash flow. Okay. Our discount factor 1 plus R to the power negative T is in this second column E. Alright. That's all we're doing here. Using the same formula from the time value of money technique. Okay. So again, you're going to start year 0, first day of year 1. Put negative 10 million. As I say, this is just representing you paying out the money. Okay. Now I used the tables, the present value tables. Do we all have the present value tables with us? And do we all know how to read them? Even before I ask that, did he allow using the tables in the test? Because at least if he allows using the tables, it will make life easy. Did you hear word of?
Yes.
Okay. Then do we all have the tables?
But if you have, you can share. I don't have.
Okay, I'll share them. Let's see. Okay, here's the present value table. Okay. Make sure you look at the formula here. Usually there'll be a formula. There are two. There's the annuity and the present value table. So come to the present value table. You find your discount rate. Okay. Our discount rate in this question was 15%. In the question they told us, the interest rate is at 15%, so that would be the discount rate, 15%. Then these are your time periods here. Okay. In year 1, the discount factor 0.80. Let me then switch this side here. Okay. So here, year 1, discount factor 0.8870, you put it here. Year 2, 0.756, you put it here. Year 3, 0.658. Year 4, 0.572. Okay, colleagues. So So you just look for your discount rate on the top row, okay, and then your years are going to be in this column here where there's an N, number of periods, okay, it's going to be in these columns. Then you just pick like this. Okay. Then you multiply negative 10 million times 1, negative 10 million. 3 million times 0.87, 2.6 million, 2,610,000. 3 million times 0.756, 2,226, 268. 3 million times 0.658, 1,974,000. Year 4, 5 million, that 3 million plus the terminal value 2 million times 0.572, 2,860,000. One shortcut, since this is an annuity here, okay, so you can just put here from year 1 to 3, then you go to the annuity table, you get your discount factor and just multiply. You can also do that shortcut, okay, since you can see year 1, year 2, year 3, same amount annuity there. So you can just go to the annuity table, find your rate, number of years, 3 years, and then you can shorten this. So after you get your present values, these ones here in this column, net present value, after you get all these present values, you just add them up, okay. Negative 10 million plus 2.6, 2,610,000 plus this plus that plus that, okay. You're just adding everything here, okay. Negative 10 million plus this plus that plus that plus that, and you get negative 288,000. So that is our net present value, negative 288,000. So since it is negative, it tells you that this project is a loss. You shouldn't go for this project. Any questions?
Sir, can you hear me?
Yes.
I wanted to ask, so from the test, is it okay to write the way you've written it, or we need to work it out using the formula?
You can show it like this, madam. You can show it like this. If you want individual, you can using this formula, you can show your workings individually, then you add them up at the end. I just feel that the table form is the best, but you can do it the other way, where you just find for each single year, and then at the end you add.